You are watching Market Watch, the brief overview of the key events from the world of finance. Today's ISM index for the U.S. manufacturing sector is the first significant indicator in this busy week, which is likely to affect the dollar exchange rate. Investors and the Federal Reserve are looking for confirmation that it is safe to lower interest rates, and are also assessing the pace of a possible decline. Traders recently lowered expectations for a 50 basis point rate cut this month, which helped the dollar stabilize after a 2-month drop. Economists predict that the ISM index will be 47.5, which is higher than the previous month, but still indicates a decline, as a value below 50 signals a contraction. Thus, the main event that may affect the markets on Tuesday is the publication of the Index of Business Activity in the U.S. manufacturing sector according to ISM data. If the data turns out to be worse than forecasts, this may lead to the fact that, against the background of expectations of an aggressive reduction in the key rate, the dollar will test recent lows. However, it is not necessary to interpret the published data unambiguously. The market reaction may not be so predictable, and it is necessary to observe the actions of traders and investors after the release of data. As for long-term strategies, Bank of America believes that investors should pay attention to commodities before the end of this decade. A note released on Thursday by a team of strategists led by Jared Woodard said that the structural rise in inflation indicates the beginning of a bull market in the commodities segment. Oil and gold have long been considered reliable assets to protect against inflation, and demand for them may increase if Woodard's forecast of a significant increase in inflation is justified. And now to the crypto market. This week will be crucial for determining the future direction of the dollar, and a weakening of its exchange rate may support Bitcoin and other risky assets. In addition to today's publications and other data for the week, U.S. employment figures are expected on Friday. Traders should be attentive to the moments of news release, and the increase in volatility can provide new opportunities for profitable trades in the market. That's all I have. Follow the news carefully and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.